Come on. Hey. Come on, Auckland. We're down 250 points. Come on, Auckland. Come on. Give the ball to Michael. Hey.
Oh, hello, Dad. Hello, Dad.
It's Uncle.
Yes, Dad.
What's the time? Huh?
Oh, it's 9:30, Dad.
9:30.
Yes, Dad.
What time does your school finish? Huh?
3:30, Dad.
3:30.
Yes, Dad.
So what are we doing between 3:30 and 9:30? Huh?
Oh, I was at Lisa's house watching some videos.
What's up? Huh?
Yes, Dad.
Come closer. What were you doing at Lisa's house? Huh?
Just muck around.
Silly. Come closer. Huh? Shut.
Oh, just everything, Dad. With the band, practice and everything.
Silly. Come closer. Huh? How many times I have to tell you, Zako? Huh? The band is loud. Peace. Oyo.
Yes, Dad.
Come closer. Come. Huh?
Yes, Dad.
Shh. Take the shoes, put them outside. Ellie.
Yes, Dad.
Shh. Put your back down and go in there and give me something to eat. Company.
Yes, Dad.
Come on, Auckland. We're down 250 points. What's this? Huh?
Oh, that's food, Dad.
Charlie, take this Chinese and give it to the cat and go to your mom's room and get some super. Company. Ellie.
Yes, Dad.
Shh. Put your back down and go in there and give me something to eat. Company.
Yes, Dad.
Come on, Auckland. We're down 250 points. What's this? Huh?
Oh, that's food, Dad.
Charlie, take this Chinese and give it to the cat and go to your mom's room and get some super. Company. Isago.
Yes, Dad.
Go over there and fix the TV. Go. Shirley, the TV's over here.
Okay, Dad.
Shh. Shirley,
Yes, Dad.
hold the aerial.
Oh.
Up! Higher! 250 degrees! Move to the left! Shh, your left, you fool! Your left! See that? Huh? That's Michael Jones. Look at how he's running. He's running with his eyes closed. His uncle.
Yes, Dad.
Huh? Something came for you today in the mail.
Yes, Dad.
Huh? This. Huh?
Yes, Dad.
Shirley, change your words.
Okay, Dad.
Huh? You know what this is, his uncle?
Yes, Dad.
What is it?
It's the Bible.
Inside this Bible, his uncle. Huh?
Oh, it's your Superman comic, Dad?
Inside the Superman comic, his uncle. Huh?
It's my school C results.
That's right. Put the aerial down. Copy. Why are you sweating? Huh?
Because I've been running, Dad.
Charlie, how many times I have to tell you don't run at nighttime, huh? They think you are more a girl if you run at nighttime. Huh?
I was running because I thought you were gonna close the house.
Charlie, look at that, huh? Look at that.
Yes, Dad.
History. fail. Huh? English, fail. I expected that. Huh? PE, fail. You failed PE? Huh? And what kind of Samoan are you? Huh? How are you gonna make it to the Manusaute if you fail PE? Huh? Shh. Look at this. Huh? Music. Huh? A+. Hey, Fifus, huh?
No, Dad.
Huh? Hey, why you lift your head up?
No, Dad.
Huh?
No, Dad.
Hey.
No, Dad.
Hey! Oh, hey, put your head down or I'll punch your mouth. Hey, push. Hey! Shh. Touch your mouth. Shall I touch your mouth or I'll touch it for you? Touch your mouth. What do you feel?
My mouth?
Hey, why you putting your shoulder up, huh? You think your shoulder gonna stop my punch? Huh? Huh? Hey, Hey, shh. Hey, why you crying? I haven't touched you yet. Charlie, touch your mouth again. Touch your mouth again. Hey, what do you feel? Huh?
Oh, yes.
That's right, Miss Uncle. You got a beard and you're still in the fifth form. Huh? Hey, you think this is a funny matter or something, huh?
No, Dad.
What are you laughing for?
I'm not laughing. I'm crying.
Miss Uncle, what am I gonna tell my friends, huh? When I walk down the street? What am I gonna tell them that my son is 28 years of age and is still in the fifth form, huh? Miss Uncle? How does that make me feel as a chief of our village? Huh? Hey, come here. Hey, shh. Put your head to the side. Look up. You know what, Isako? You look just like your mom. Isako! See the mantelpiece up there? Huh? The one with Mary.
Yes, Dad.
Huh?
Yes,
I want you to say it. Say it to yourself, Isako. Say, I can do it. I can pass my school seat. I can do it. Say it.
Oh,
Say it, Isako.
I can do it.
Hey, say it again, Isako. Say it. Say I can do it.
I can do it.
Your voice. Throw it out there. I can do it. Say it, Isako. Say it. Say it to Mary. Go on. Say it.
I can do it.
Let's break up. Say it. Say I can do it with passion. Say it, Isako.
I can do it with passion.
What is wrong with you, Isako, huh? Huh? I give you everything, Isako, because you are my last son. Huh? Your brother's getting married tomorrow. Do something good with yourself, Isako, huh?
Yeah, I'm doing a surprise for him tomorrow. At the wedding for him. And I'm sorry, Dad. I failed my school fees 5 times. I know I can do it this time. I can do it this time because I know I can feel it.
Where can you feel it?
everywhere.
What are you gonna convince me, Zarko? You're gonna make me proud.
Yeah, Dad, I know I can do it this time because I'm not going out with Lisa anymore.
Well, who are you going out with?
Or Jason.
That must be your mom's side. Huh?
But I know I can do it, Dad. I can do it this time. And I know I want to be somebody. And I already know what I'm going to be.
And what are you going to be?
I'm going to be a psychiatrist.
Sully, why do you want to be the first Samoan psychiatrist?
So I can help Grandma.
That's a good job, Izako. Huh? Make your father be proud of you, huh? I'm sick and tired of the whole congregation church stepping on our family name. Huh?
Yes, Dad.
Huh?
Thanks, Dad.
Put your hand to the side. Stop moving. Do something good for yourself, Izako, huh?
Okay, Dad.
Huh?
Okay, Dad.
Sully, change your words.
All right, Dad.
Izako,
Yes, Dad.
do something good, huh? Clear the mess. Do the dishes. After that, fix the TV. Huh? After that, vacuum the house. Huh? And after that, go over next door, ask for some sugar. Huh? After that, do the lawn. Sully, without the lawnmower. Huh?
Okay, Dad.
Zago, if you fail me one more time, I'll send you back to the Taro plantation where the sun is nice and hot.
Okay, Dad.
You get my drift?
Okay, Dad.
Huh?
I got your drift.
Go, Pete.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, shh. Don't thanks me. I haven't done anything.
Dad. Dad.
Huh?
Where you going?
Huh?
Where's Mom?
Mama's going to the funeral.
Who died?
Huh?
Who died?
The cat.